Enter.
Mrs. Courtney.
Miss.
Miss. I just brought the registration fees for the students.
Ah, good. Now, how many students have you?
9.
So there should be £45 in there.
Well, that all depends upon the rate of exchange.
I don't quite follow.
Not all of them had £5 in English money, so I collected £29.50 in sterling, and the rest is made up of 2,000 yen, 3,000 lira, 250 pesetas, 75 drachma, 50 francs, and 12 Deutschmarks. According to this morning's financial papers, that should give us a profit of £1.42½.
Then I suggest you take it to the bank in the morning and convert it to English currency.
Right, I'll do that.
Oh, by the way, how's the femme fatale?
Ah, yes, Danielle. Well, at the moment she's in the tea room with Italy, Spain and Greece trying to establish diplomatic relations.
Well, I hope she's not going to cause any bother.
Oh, no, I'm sure she won't.
Look, I'm not gonna sit here.
No, it's me who's gonna be sitting here.
Before you were sit over there.
And before you were sitting over there.
You take it on, Mick.
Who, me?
You go back sit where you were before.
No, I sit here.
You're not sit here.
Ha! Who's gonna be stopping me?
Me. Yourself. You think you're tough? Come out the side.
Okay.
Where are you going?
We go outside to have a punch down.
You mean a punch up?
I'm going to, how you say, knock his bloody block off.
We see whose bloody blocker is knockered off.
Oh, just a minute. What is all this about?
I tell you, Mr. White.
Brown.
Oh, excuse me. It's about where we sit.
Well, what's wrong with where you were sitting before?
It's my eyes, Professori. I've got to sit nearer the front. Here.
Oh, I see, and I suppose it's got nothing to do with the fact that Danielle is sitting here too?
She is? I never noticed. You see, it's my eyes. I'm a little short-sighted.
And also a much bigger liar.
It's not true, Mr. Green.
The name is Brown.
You see, I'm a colorblind as well.
And Max, I suppose you've got trouble with your eyes as well, have you?
Oh, no. My eyes are okay. It's my ears. I'm not hearing very well.
That's a likely story.
What you say?
I say you both go back and sit where you were sitting before. Now.
Santa Maria.
I hope you don't think I was, how you say, too forward?
No, I'm sure you weren't in any way to blame at all.
Teacher, please.
Mr. Blount,
Yes?
please forgive my lateness. I apologize, but I lost my way.
Not to worry. What is your name?
Chung Suli,
Suli. And where are you from?
Democratic Republic of China.
And what is your job?
Secretary, Chinese diplomat.
Very nice. Right, where shall we put you? Taro, how are relations between Japan and China?
Depends on a political viewpoint. Japan, right wing. China, left wing.
I see. Are you right-wingo or left-wingo? Right or left?
I follow teaching of Chairman Mao.
Ah, well, in that case, you better sit next to Jamila, the Indian lady, all right?
Thank you.
Right, now we will start by learning a few basic English verbs. And firstly, we will take the verb to be. I am English. You are Chinese. He is Italian. She is French.
He is barbarian.
You are asking for a kick up your big brown backside.
Now look, pay attention, please. I am. You are.
You are.
He, she, or it is.
He or it is.
We are.
We are.
You are.
You are.
They are.
They are.
Right. I shall now go round the class and ask you each to give me a sentence using the verb to be. Taro. I am.
Ah, so. I am very happy to be learning English.
Very good. Good. Giovanni. He is.
He is a fool.
Good, but not Isidore. He is a fool.
Yes, he is a fool.
Max, she is.
She is beautiful. She is wonderful. Oh, she is...
Yes, yes, thank you, Max. Juan, it is.
Por favor.
It is.
Por favor.
It is raining.
Lloviendo. It is raining.
No, no llueve.
It is raining.
No llueve, hombre.
Aspetta, Maria Malace, it is raining.
We'll skip you for the moment.
Por favor.
Doesn't matter. Sit down. Suli, it is.
It is duty of every citizen to overthrow imperial warmongers. So say Chairman Mao.
Yes, well, that's his opinion. Good. Danielle, we are.
We are lucky to have such great
Quiet, please. Very true. I mean, thank you. Ali, you are. You are.
You are waiting for me to speak an answer.
Well done. Anna.
Unfortunately, I am not understanding the question.
I want you to give me a sentence using you are.
I am.
No, not I am. You are. For example, you are from Pakistan.
I am from Pakistan.
Good, yes, but now use you are.
But I cannot say you are from Pakistan because you are not, are you?
Repeat after me. You are English.
No, no, I am from Pakistan.
What am I?
You are confusing me.
You are stupid poof.
Don't you call me a poof? Poof. I will kill you. Sit down.
Sit down, please. Right. And there's really not much more we can do until you all get the textbooks I was telling you about. What I would like you to do is some homework, all right? I want you to write me an essay. A short story about your life here in England. The things you do, the things you like. And I'll see you all on Wednesday. Ah, Mrs. Courtney. Miss. But I've just dismissed the class for the night. I think we've just about covered all there is to for the first session.
You look a trifle under the weather. Job getting you down already.
No, I'm fine. Never felt better. There's just one thing, though.
Yes?
That window you nailed down, the one Mr. Warburton climbed out of.
What about it?
I think we ought to put a few more nails in, just to be on the safe side.